Welcome to the part 3 haloalkanes and haloarenes. In this part we will discuss the physical properties, that is in respect of melting points and boiling points, how they will change, increasing and decreasing, and the second one is chemical reactions. So these two parts we will discuss in this part 3. So now first let us discuss the haloalkanes and haloarenes physical properties. So generally in the physical properties we will say that the preliminary haloalkanes are generally in the gas form. Preliminary means methyl chloride, chloromethane or chloroethane, chloropropane, all these are in gases only. But if the molecular mass increases more and more means they will be converted into the liquids. Mostly they are in the liquid state. So this is the physical state of this haloalkanes. But in this one, the main important thing is we will discuss about the boiling points and the melting points. These two are much important. Okay. So in this one, boiling points and melting points mainly depend upon the attractional forces. If the attractional forces are much, then automatically their boiling point is more than the others. First let us see about the boiling points of the haloalkanes, how they are increasing or decreasing. First of all, first point, we will compare the haloalkanes boiling points, compare haloalkanes, compare them with the corresponding alkanes. Corresponding alkanes, or we can say corresponding hydrocarbons. So first let us see. Observe this one. Suppose example methyl chloride CH3Cl and CH4, that is methane. These two having the same carbon atoms are CH3 CH2Cl and CH3 CH3. Ethane, chloroethane. If you compare these two haloalkanes with the alkanes, since in the place of one hydrogen in this one chlorine atom is there. Hydrogen's atomic mass is 1, but chlorine atomic mass is 35.5. That is, chlorine atomic mass is higher than the hydrogen which is replaced. So if the molecular mass increases, definitely their boiling points are increases. So whenever we are comparing the haloalkanes with the corresponding hydrocarbons, definitely these haloalkanes are having the higher boiling points than the corresponding hydrocarbons. So this is the important one. That is the first one. Because in this one, mainly the attractional forces. What type of attractional forces are there in this one? Already we are having the polar bonds. That means dipole-dipole bonds in this one and van der Waals forces. So these two are stronger in the haloalkanes comparing to this alkanes. So that's why these are having the higher boiling points than this one. That is the first one. And second point is, so because different points we have to observe it. Okay, attractions get stronger as the bigger molecular size. Suppose same CH3Cl and CH3Br, if CH3 iodine. If you compare this one, halogens, haloalkanes which are having the same molecular formula. Okay, that means these are called the isomeric haloalkanes. Isomeric, मतलब same molecular mass, same molecules they are having. But here chlorine, bromine, iodine. Already we know that in the periodic table chlorine, bromine and iodine is having the more molecular mass than the chlorine and bromine. So if they are having the higher molecular masses, they are having the high boiling points. Because as the size increases, the attractionals gets stronger, the attractional forces get stronger. So therefore, if you compare these three, these are having the higher boiling points than the bromine. The bromine is having higher than the chlorine. So like this, we will compare isomeric molecules. So that is also more important. So hence we can say that alkyl iodide is having the higher boiling points than the alkyl bromides, are having the higher boiling points than the alkyl chlorides. Here fluorine we cannot compare because fluorine is the highly reactive negative electronegative element, so that's why we don't compare in this one. So these are, you can say, RF also you can compare. Okay, so these are the decreasing order of the haloalkanes. Boiling points will decreases from Ra. So Ra is having the higher boiling point, RF is having the lower boiling point. So this is also another one. So in this one, van der Waals forces increases as the size increases. So that's why the boiling points are also increases. So these are the two important points. And third point is isomeric haloalkanes. Already I told that as the isomeric haloalkanes, same molecular formula. Example, CH3, CH2, CH2Br. Bromine is there. Another one, if this bromine is arranged in another side, CH2, CHBr and CH3. So both are having the 1, 2, 3. CH2, CH2Br, CHBr. Here it will be there. Here CH3. So like this, these two components are having the same molecular formula. 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. But here 1 bromo propane and here 2 bromo propane. If they are having the same thing, okay, and one more, it can be written as CH3, okay, CH3 and again, okay, both these two. So in these two, which will be having the higher boiling points? So generally, the chain, if the chain is having the first one, that is having the higher boiling points than the second one. Both are having the same molecular formula, but difference is only the attachment of this isomeric formation of the molecule. So in these two, this is having the more molecular formula and boiling point is higher than this. And one more, isomeric dihalogens, dihalogens. If two halogen molecules are there, but mostly they are having the same molecular, same boiling points. But if the branching is increases, if they are having the branching is increases, they are having the lower boiling points. If branching is there, they are having the lower boiling points. So example, let us see one example. Question is given in your textbook. That is first one. Arrange these in the first one. Chloromethane and again bromomethane. One is chloro, second one is bromo, and dibromomethane. So he asked to arrange in the increasing order. When they are asking about the increasing order, first you have to write down the lower one, then higher, then higher. So if you observe it, here chloromethane is there, methane is there, methane is there. Same molecular formula, isomeric molecules, but here chlorine is there, here bromine is there, here dibromine is there. Already we know that the molecular size increases, automatically it is having the higher boiling points. So here chlorine, bromine, dibromo. Since these two are the bromine atoms, so chlorine means it is having the lower molecule, so it is having the low melting point or boiling point, low boiling point. But here bromo, one bromine is there, here two bromine atoms are there. So two bromine atoms are having the higher molecules, so therefore it is having the higher boiling points than the one bromomethane. So bromomethane and again dibromomethane. So like this we will arrange in the increasing order of their boiling points. So this is having the same molecular formula. But one more is also there in the given in the textbook. Second one, chloropropane, 1-chloropropane and isopropyl chloride and the third one, 1-chlorobutane. So observe it. So here chloropropane, propane means CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl, that is 1-chloropropane. Isopropyl chloride, that means the two carbon atoms here, that is 1, 2, here 1 Cl, here CH3, here CH3. So isopropyl chloride and again chlorobutane, 1-chlorobutane, butane means 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 chlorine atom is there. So observe it here. So this is the butane, this is the isopropyl butane, that is the branching it is having, it is the linear. So already we discussed that any substance which is having the branching, it should have the lower melting points. So this is having the lower melting point, boiling point. Lower boiling point of this one, इसके बाद A है, इसके बाद A है. Here 4 carbon atoms are there. Atomic size is more. Atomic molecular mass is more. So it is having the higher. It is having इसके बाद A, इसके बाद A. This is the least. इसके बाद ये है, इसके बाद ये. So like this, we will arrange in the increasing order of the boiling points or decreasing order of the boiling points. I hope that you understood. So this is about the haloalkanes. Now haloarenes. If you observe it, dihalogen atoms of arenes. Dihalogen atoms means. So possibility is there. So 1-chloro, that is the ortho, meta and para. Out of these three. So which is having the higher boiling points and which are having the lower boiling points. If you observe it, so this and these two, ortho and meta, this is the para. So in the para, they are having the symmetrical arrangement is there. So since they are having the symmetrical arrangement, so they can be fit into the crystal lattice. They can be fit into the crystal lattice. Okay. And again, so these are having the higher boiling points than the other two. So we can say that para isomers are having the high boiling point than ortho and meta, because since they are having the symmetry, so what will happen? They can fit into the crystal lattice very easily. So that's why their boiling points are very high than these the other two. So this is the most important part in the boiling points of haloalkanes and haloarenes.